Precision-engineered OE-style design ensures proper fit for a no-hassle installation. 100% asbestos-free friction formulations for extended wear, consistent braking performance and long life. 100% all-new steel provides durable construction for long life. Rust inhibitive coating prevents rust and extends durability. Set includes brake shoes for 1 axle, 2 wheels, bonded construction, hardware kit not included. From the worldwide leader in braking technology, Bosch Blue Disc brake shoes provide consistent, superior braking performance with 100% asbestos-free, bonded friction formulations, 100% new steel, and precision-engineered OE-style designs that ensure proper fit for a no-hassle installation. Metal components feature a rust-inhibitive coating that prevents rust and extends durability. Set includes brake shoes for 1 axle, 2 wheels. Hardware kit not included. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement. Replaced the original shoes without any issues. It includes the clips for the parking brake, which are necessary to replace when removing the old shoes.